Hey guys, it's been a minute. But today I had a realization. I saw on TikTok that the term like birthday makeup is like where people do a full matte face of makeup, but to me that just looks like 2016 makeup. I tried to find pictures of myself in 2016 doing makeup and like whatnot, but I was very much, you know, in middle school at that time, so I didn't really do any makeup at all. Today I was just like, let's do some 2016 makeup and relive that like era of time. Listen, I have never been able to do my brows. The only thing that I ever do with my brows is just like brush them like with a spoolie and whatnot. But when it comes to like actually filling them in with like making them look thicker, adding shape to them, I've never been able to do that, and I am not going to start today. So I am not really going to do like the iconic staple 2016 brow because I just can't. It'll ruin the look. I'll just look angry. My brow's gonna go down to here, okay? So bear with me on that. But anyway, let's just get started. I already have like just a little bit of makeup on right now, so I'm gonna just take off the excess. During this time of month, my lips, like, they get even more chapped. I just can't stop picking at it. The skin, the chapped skin like sticks out, and I just like have to rip it off. I have to. I can't. Honestly, I feel like the 2016 makeup kind of went on throughout like most of 2017, and I may or may not have pictures of me from 2017 doing makeup like this. So if I find it, I'll put it here. If not, so the base of 2016 makeup is usually very thick and matte and full coverage. Hi, hello, is this not my color at all? Oh my god, good morning. We'll make it work. Where's my yo, where did my oh my god, please. Okay, I want Morphe to make like a jumbo version of this because I actually like love this. Let's just hope this is giving full coverage. But honestly, I feel like in 2016, the makeup on your face never like matched the skin color of your, like it never matched the skin tone of your chest, you know what I mean? I would say a really good example of someone who did like iconic, super recognizable 2016 makeup was Kylie Jenner. Iconic makeup look. Hi, hello. So, oh, I have a bald spot, y'all. I had like a scab there for like the longest time and I couldn't stop picking at it. What's new? But eventually, like, the more I did it, the less, like, eventually I just noticed one day like the grown like hair never grew back, so I'm just bald there, potentially forever. Okay, this is pretty full coverage. I mean, it's so not at all my shade, but that's okay. We can even it out with some heavy contouring, because during this time contouring was all the rage. I used to really love doing makeup, and now I've just gotten so lazy. I kind of have like a big forehead, so I try to contour more on this area than on this area, because when you're contouring here, you're like elongating like this part of your forehead, and that's exactly what I'm trying not to do, is emphasize my big forehead. So I try to focus the contour. I feel like I actually don't have like a big forehead. It's like a normal forehead, but I don't know. I just know we are our own biggest critics, right? So, wow. Just gonna blend it out. This is probably not gonna look as good in person because I'm not using a mirror. I'm looking at my phone. I low-key wish it was more normal to like film videos for YouTube, like just like with your phone. Cameras are so expensive. Why are they $600,000? Like, It's either $600 or like $1,012. Like, girl, who has camera money like that? That's not me. You're like, well, how will you have an iPhone? That's fucking different. I need my fucking phone, okay? Be so fucking real. If you can afford a phone, you can afford a camera. No. Shut up. Shut up. No one said that. I'm just making up lies. I just like to make my own arguments. I just love to talk to myself. Do you guys maladaptive daydream? I do. That's why I do YouTube, so I can justify talking to myself. We are going to do concealer, and during this era of time, concealing the face was more like highlighting the face. That's what I'm gonna do. Highlight. I'm just gonna, oh, that's a lot. I just like contoured there, stupid. Ugh, no, stupid. Whatever. We'll go back with the contouring. I put too much. I didn't realize how much it would, okay. Let's go back with the contour and even this all out. We really want to have that like hollow cheek moment. You know, kind of giving like Angelina Jolie a little bit. I really don't match my neck at all. I'm gonna powder and set it all with, it's gonna be super matte. I'm gonna do like that classic technique of baking under the eyes. I don't really believe in that. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like you can just like normally powder it, no? Or maybe there's like a technique to it, like a method, like, I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. I need to shut the fuck up. I need to shut up. Okay, now I'm going to contour with powder. I gotta be careful because now everything is like powdered down. You like really can't mess up. Oh my god, this scab. This scab, it looks gnarly, dude, but it's not that bad. I like was shaving my arm and I was like shaving it like this. You know how like Kendall Jenner was like cutting that cucumber? I was like shaving it like this. It was like weird. And I like shaved off a chunk of my skin. I used to be better at doing eyeshadow, but I haven't done it in so long, so I actually don't know if I'll be any good. I'm gonna take this Tarte palette and use whatever is in here. I don't have like the right brushes to apply eyeshadow. I have like this just use, okay, I'm gonna use this color. I think I'm gonna do like kind of like a purpley kind of color. This is just gonna be the base, okay? Or okay, we're gonna use our fingers. This will actually be much easier. Ooh, it's like, wait. It's so subtle, but I like this color of eyeshadow. It's so velvety and soft. Wow, Tarte, I get why you were so popular back then. You were of quality. So I'm just gonna do like that purple. I know, this looks so freaky crazy. It'll blend out. It better fucking blend out. It'll be okay. My eyelash. Let's not think about it. Okay. My eyelid crease cuts on both eyes are different from one another. They don't match. So I kind of have to like improvise. Fuck. This is hard. This, ooh, okay. Low-key, I want to use like this one. Ooh, oh no. Oh my god. Wait, no, I think I've made a mistake. Or, wait. Oh no, it's, okay, wait. I'm just an overreactor, you see. I think it works. Eyeliner. This is the hardest part. Do some black winged liner because, guys, Wait, I'm scared. And again, my crease cut, like my crease folds on my eyes are different from one another. So one wing is not gonna look like the other. Go big or go home. But I want this to still like look good, you know? I'm not trying to like trash this look. I'm holding my breath. I don't know what to feel. I'm sweating. This light is so bright and it's making me hot. We're not done with the eyes yet. We still have to highlight the inner corners. Yeah, don't think I forgot. I would never. So now I'm just gonna take this highlighter from Revolution and highlight the inner corners. Okay. I'm like out of breath, guys. I'm going to highlight the rest of my face. Highlight my nose. We're almost done. We're almost done, guys. Okay. We're gonna highlight my nose. This is all about the highlighter in these times. And now I'm gonna... Ooh, yeah. I still highlight nowadays. I just use like a stick highlighter instead because I feel like it looks, you can blend it into your skin more and it looks more like a shine and less like glitter, you know? It's more like an iridescent than a sparkle, which is the whole point because our skins don't naturally glow, okay? We're not the Cullens. Okay, we're gonna just like brush through the brows a little bit since I'm not gonna like actually do them, because girl, you know I'm not gonna start doing that today. Never done them, and it won't be today. Guys, we're almost done. Alas, we are finally almost done. The Burgundy Blush lipstick by Maybelline. I don't like this color. Sorry, I can't commit to this color. Sephora brand like lipstick. It's kind of like, oh, but it's like a brown nude. This looks like fucking shit. Like actually this looks like it came straight out of my ass and I put it on my lips. And I'm just gonna take this Ultra Matte Lip Color by Kiko. Or sorry, Kiko? Revlon. You, bitch, I wish it was Kiko. That kind of works. But this has to be matte. Don't forget. I'm gonna take, it looks so good like this though. But it wouldn't be true. You should probably be using like a translucent powder, but I don't have any, so. Okay, the pink kind of disappeared on itself. Wait, I feel the need to fix it. This one, Isla. I think this is the look. I think I did it. The highlighter, I know it's not very prominent, but I did put a lot, I think that, honestly, okay, now that I'm done with it, the thing that I could have done like much better at is the eyeliner. I'm really sad it's not as good as I'd like it to be because it's not as dark as I'd want it, but you know, there's only so much you can do about that. I can like try, but with my weak ass eyeliner pen, like it's not gonna give. Oh my god, mascara. Stupid. I'm gonna use this telescopic. I've been trying to like not do anything to my lashes, like not even curl them. My lashes keep falling off from like the constant curling every day. Bottom lash. Cool. Guys, now we're done.
Eat. Oh my god. Work. She ate.
Okay. I think this is pretty, oh god, sorry. My own nose hairs are like bothering me. Honestly, maybe I could have gone a little bit more heavy on that contour. Would you guys like ever do this again? Would you ever like do this sort of makeup again? I honestly kind of like, I could do like the eyes and the lips again. I don't know if I could do like the full face, full coverage base. This was fun. It was stressful, but it was fun. Now I have like a shit ton of stuff I have to clean now, but thank you for watching this video. I will see you when I see you. Okay, bye bye.